Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a simple YouTube thumbnail. I found a model on Pinterest, so in case you're out there and you see a picture on this video or in this video, I'm just using it as a form of tutorial to show persons how to do a simple YouTube thumbnail using Canva, the Canva platform.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't beg. Pussy's spinning like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed crimes. I'm way over long, I'm no sacred spot. I can't be outside cause I'm against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell them the truth, I'm out the loop, I'm out of range. I don't need, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time's so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Yeah, we fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but ain't no matter with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep that like nobody knows shit. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but if you can keep that like nobody knows shit.
Real shit.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, I only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. In a smile, but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat, should they throw